Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. This is another video in the series of B1 level German exam practice. So this is an Aufgabe of Schreiben, Aufgabe 2, B1 level German exam preparation, Aufgabe 2, Schreiben. Writing skills, Aufgabe 2 means there are three questions in the writing paper of German B1. So this is a second question. In this question, you need to write your opinion about a particular topic. So here I have written the question as you can see here, and this is the box in which another person has already given his opinion in few lines, and then you will read this opinion given in the box, although I have not mentioned anything in the box, and you will write your own idea, you will write your own opinion on the same topic. So first of all, you need to understand what is the topic in this question. This highlighted part with the red color I have mentioned, this is your topic, thema, and you have to give your opinion, Meinung, okay, about this thema. So let's read the question first. Sie haben im Fernsehen eine Diskussionssendung zum Thema persönliche Kontakt und Internet gesehen. Im Online-Gastbuch der Sendung finden Sie folgende Meinung. So you have seen this topic in the television, in a discussion program, personal contact and internet. This is the topic, just personal contact and internet. On this topic you have to give your opinion. If the topic is not clear, so you can read the opinion given in the box. In exam you will get a box and some opinion will be there, but I have not mentioned here as I already told you. So then you will start your opinion like this. You can start in a different manner, you can start whatever you feel like, but it should be relevant, it should be precise, to the point and mistake free. Always write sentences mistake free. Avoid mistakes if you want to score very good in German or in any language. So I have started like this. Meiner Meinung nach ist persönliche Kontakt besser als Internet. According to my opinion, personal contacts are better than internet. That means if you meet somebody online, that is not so good for me as compared to if I meet personally someone. So that is called persönliche Kontakt. One-to-one interaction I find better than online meeting. Man trifft eine Person und lernt sie gut kennen. So it is a verb, kennenlernen. One, meet a person and get to know the person. Sie stands for Person. Online treffen ist virtual. Online meeting is virtual meeting, as I said. It's a virtual meeting. You are watching the person on screen, online. There is no physical contact. It's an online virtual meeting. Das halte ich nicht so gut und wirksam wie persönliche Kontakt. Das halte, I have used the verb halte means consider. That I don't consider so good and effective as personal contact. Wirksam, effective. So these are the words that you can use in your exam. You must use some new words, good vocabulary. I have made so many videos. Now it's going to be 1000 videos on my channel. If you are new on the channel, please go check out the playlist according to your level and watch all the videos. There are many students who have passed German examination just by watching my videos. Because I hardly take exam prep batches. We have started new batches for A1, A2, B1, B2 and so on, but exam prep batches we don't take, because if you have done your level very good, you don't require any more classes. Just revise and watch my videos based on exam prep. That is sufficient. Next sentence is Stimme mit Tanya zu. So Tanya is the person who has written the view in the box above. So I agree with Tanya. Zustimmen means agree. I agree with Tanya. Tanya also says the same thing which I am saying, that personal contacts are better than online. So I agree with Tanya. You can also add on this this line. This is very good sentence. You should know how to write in this task. In Aufgabe 2, you must know how to write. This is very important. Students have good knowledge of German language, but they don't understand the topic. They get confused. Sie hat recht. Das persönliche Kontakt können nicht ersetzt werden. Sie hat recht means sie here for Tanya. Tanya is correct. Tanya is saying correctly that personal contacts cannot be replaced. Ersetzt means replace. It's a passive voice. If you know, this is passive voice with modal verb. Cannot be replaced. Cannot nicht ersetzt werden. So you can use this kind of grammar. Use variations. You have learned so many grammar in B1 level. Use them. Ich bin der Meinung, persönliche Kontakte ist echt und gute Methode, jemanden kennenzulernen. I am of the opinion, personal contacts are real. Okay, are real, isn't? I will change here. Contacts are real, est and good method in order to get to know someone. Kennenlernen means get to know. Est means real, very real, and good method. So I believe in this opinion that personal contacts are good and real in order to get to know someone. So this is the way you can write, you can attempt this Aufgabe 2. I have just given you an idea so that you can write some more sentences. You can either choose this topic or choose any other topic. I have also mentioned in the description so many exam prep books. Just buy any one as per your level, any book, all books are good, and start practicing. So best of luck to all those who are going to give exam. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.